channel Easy GLAM, which will ease your life. So जो मेरे चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा, और जो ऑलरेडी जुड़े हुए हैं, थैंक यू सो मच. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can curl your hair using a hair straightener. Yes, you heard it right, using a straightener. Because straightener can be used in multiple ways. You can straighten your hair, you can curl your hair, you can crimp your hair, and so many types. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do these soft curls using a straightener. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Video, and if you liked it, please tell me in the comment section below, and also give my video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and try it. Bye bye.